Well, buongiorno, my friendos. I'd like to introduce you to my fridge. It's my Deadpool fridge and freezer. What's going to happen tonight? Should I open up the fridge? With that bad, we can't even remember the side opens. Is it this side? No, it's that side. No, it's this side. No, it's that side. Oh, here it is. She's oh, okay. So this is what you keep in your fridge. Okay. Why has he got what's head of lettuce? That's not head of lettuce. What's this called? This is called you know what it's called, dude. Hopefully you're chilling now, because I did tell you if you stop swearing, if you didn't stop swearing, I'll put you in the fridge. So basically, that's why in your fridge. But is this a cauliflower? Not cauliflower. What's it called? Yep. Shh, dude. Don't tie me out. I don't know. Is it beetroot? Oh, I can't remember. It's a green thing. It's Brussels sprout. Is it Brussels sprout? That's it. Brussels sprout. Right, fine. Okay, Brussels sprout. Yep, no. No, still counting down. Okay. Doesn't that annoy you? I'm shutting the door on you. I'm opening the door on you. Still in there. You working yet? No. Right. So back down to what else we have in our. This is what I keep in. Look. Doesn't everybody else keep one in here? Cereal bars. Maybe we have bars. And then nothing. What's in here? Oh, wait a minute. I know this one. This is from Deadpool in a coffee with a cream egg. And that's it. Nope, we've got 3 shoots. That's it. That's it. Okay, right. So, yeah, bleep it again. What else do you keep in your fridge? The freezer. Oh, please show me. Be interested to know. Yep. If you turn this upside down, you'll see a picture of Sir Sic. Nope, I didn't say that. Love you guys. Love you guys. Bye.
Oh, she should just say, I've got a green